Greetings everyone. TLP here, aka the Booger Picker. Why the Booger Picker, you may ask? Because more often than not, I get the Booger Picks as opposed to the Clickety Clicks. What I have for you today is an Almont Rekey. I purchased this one off of eBay. I will not be attempting, keyword attempting, to gut this lock today. First off, I don't have the proper tool. And even if I did, I don't think I want to go down that road. I've seen Bosnian Bill's video. If you haven't seen it, give it a watch. I'll link it in the description below. But basic information. It's a standard lock. Nothing special. As far as I know, this one, since I haven't actually ever gutted it, I don't know if it's got security pins or not. But I'll say this. It doesn't feel like it. So that's a safe assumption. But with that said, I'll say this much. This is a key retaining lock. Meaning when it's open, you cannot turn and get the key out. Today, we're going to simply pick it just so you can see. Basic 5-pin lock. Nothing difficult about it, but I will say this. It gave me a lot of trouble. This one was in my booger bucket for a little while. I'll let you see, so you can see this keyway. Now if you use the top of the keyway and you attempt to lever off this piece of warding, notice that that piece of warding is at an angle. So often your pick slips off of it. When you see me pick it, you'll understand. But because you're trying to get above that warding and use it as a lever for your pick, and you have a top of the keyway tensioner, it can be a very tight space in there. But with that said, I've picked it Sparrow's Heavy Bar 0.5 and Sparrow's Standard Short Hook. Now, with that said, folks, let me get it mounted up in the vise and see if we can't get you some clickety clicks today. Okay, folks, we got it mounted up in the vise, and I'll say this. This is a key retaining lock. You put the key in and you turn it, and when it's in an open position, you can't get the key out. Just a little piece of information. Okay, we're setting this lock. Now I'll point something else out to you. What I'm going to be, Sparrow's Heavy Bar 0.05 and a Sparrow's Short Hook. And what I'm going to be doing, I know it's hard to see in this video, but this little piece of side warding here is actually not a 90-degree angle. So there's really no shelf here to lever your pick off of. It's kind of more of a sloped piece of warding. So often when you go to pick and you go to lever, see how it just did? Your pick slides off of it. And you lose traction, so to speak. And that's one of the most difficult things I have found about this lock. But let's see if we can't get the clickety clicks as opposed to the booger picks for you guys today. Alright, we're going to use top of the keyway. Because I'm using top of the keyway, it makes that space between that warding and the bottom of the pick very tight. But we're going to see if we can't do this for you today. And like most times, I will start all the way in the rear. See, I just slipped off the warding. And there we go, folks. We got an opening for you. Almont Rekey. Tight tolerances. It's a fun pick. But with that, I'll say like I always do. Keep it safe. Keep it legal. Good picking. Booger Picker out.